Hey guys, hey, it's Dr. Jerry here with Mills Chiropractic and Wellness Center. Hey, this month we're focused on sleep. And I figured what better thing to do on the night that the Chiefs play on a Thursday night was to put a little video together talking about sleep and how important it is, because we all know we're going to be up late tonight. Now, the truth of the matter is, one night, yeah, you're going to feel a little groggy the next day. You may feel a little tired throughout the day. But when this happens day after day after day, it can really start to impact your quality of life, your productivity, your immune system, the aches and pains that you feel, the inflammation that builds up in the body, depression. It has some really serious side effects to it. And this month we're really focused on sleep. We're getting ready for our workshop. I'm really excited about the information that I'm putting together there for you guys. I figure this month is a win-win, because either the information is going to be really good and you're going to be really engaged and enjoy the workshop that we have coming up, or heck, it's going to be really boring and I'm going to put you to sleep. So either way, I figure it's a win-win, right? So this workshop, I feel almost no pressure in, but I know the importance of it, and that's why I'm really excited to put this presentation on sleep together. And so we're going to be talking about a number of tips, winding down, things to eat, maybe things to stay away from. Of course, we're going to talk a little bit about chiropractic, because, that's what I do. But, one of the things, since this is research that matters, I wanted to bring to your attention real quick. I just finished reading it. It was an article in Spine this month, which is actually a medical journal that does a nice job of promoting chiropractic, and one of the side effects to chiropractic that I'm going to be talking about, and I'll be excited to share, is that patients had a 90% satisfaction rate with chiropractic, but as far as side effects, one of the most common side effects was an overall sense of well-being improved. The third most common side effect was improved sleep. So I figured, what the heck, this is perfect for our workshop. And so I'm really excited to see you guys here next Thursday night. The Chiefs play tonight, and so because they're getting ready to kick off and the time is getting away from me, I'm going to say good night. Go Chiefs. See you guys next week. Thank you.